Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a video in Google Slides. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening YouTube and locating the video you want to include. Click on that video to open it. Then, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Next, switch over to Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the video. Click on Insert in the top menu and then select Video. In the dialog box that appears, make sure you're on the By URL tab. Paste the copied URL into the provided field and press Enter. Google Slides will find the video linked to the URL. Click on the video to select it and then click Insert to add it to your slide. Once the video is inserted, you can move it around and resize it to fit your layout. So that's basically how to insert a video in Google Slides. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.